In this video, we will discuss how to edit the lower menu of the CSULA web templates. So with my master template open, I'm going to go ahead and scroll down to the very bottom. You'll see this big gray box, which is the lower menu. You'll notice that you have some options as well as some lists. It's very similar to the vertical list we just worked with. If I want to change one of the options, I can triple click like we've done before. To edit anything in Dreamweaver, just simply triple click to highlight all of it, or click and drag to highlight a portion of it. So I'm going to say this is my changed H1 because this is actually a heading tag. Excuse me, it's an H3, as you can see from the status bar at the bottom of Design View. Now, if I want to add a list to this heading, I can simply put the cursor at the end of the heading itself and press return, which creates a new paragraph. But I want this to be a list and not a paragraph, so I can go to the text pane of the insert toolbar and click the unordered list button. Now I need to make sure that this is a link and not just plain text, so I'm going to go back to common and click hyperlink. So this is a new option for the lower menu, and I'm going to go ahead and click put the pound in as a placeholder. If I click OK, you'll see that our link has popped up. Now for adding more items, we do it the exact same way we did for our vertical menu, and I can simply just put my text cursor at the end. If I click somewhere in the middle and then click the end key, then push return, I'll have a new list item. I can click hyperlink again, or I could simply type text, highlight that text by holding down Shift and clicking the home button, and then typing the link in here. In this case, I'm going to use a pound again for a placeholder. If you don't have any use for the lower menu, you can get rid of it entirely. Just place the cursor somewhere within the lower menu. Then go down to the status bar here and travel up the tag hierarchy until you find div.lowerNav. If I click this, it'll highlight just this list. I want to get the entire box, which is div pound lower menu. If I click that, you'll see a blue border to let you know that this division is selected. It'll highlight all the text within it. If I want to go ahead and delete all of it, I can simply press the delete key on my keyboard, and voila, it's gone. Once I've made the changes I like, I can go ahead and click File and then Save.